Hi, Brian Edens here. I was just wanting to make a quick tutorial on Canvas just to show you guys what we've been doing and how you guys can adjust your courses if need be in your pacing guide. So once you get into your account, this is what it'll look like. Um, you can start at your dashboard and your courses will come up here, or you can also find your courses here. So we're in English Language Arts 6th grade. And the first thing that we've been doing is starting a pacing plan. So what we've been doing for this is just been taking off weekends, and the reason for that is just the days lined up better for us when we were doing this. The end of the quarter is actually the 13th, or the semester is the 13th, but we've been having everything due on the 8th, so they have a few extra days if they're behind. So in this course, there's 27 modules to go through, so it doesn't work out perfect because there's 17 weeks. So it's going to be about two a week that they're going to be responsible for completing, and there really isn't a lot of rhyme or reason to what we've been doing. We've just been trying to make the dates work. We've been making everything due the next Monday, so it's kind of like it's assigned Monday and then it's due the next Monday. And so for this one, with there being 27, it's going to be about two courses. And what I'm doing here is linking these, so that these two will be due the first week, these two will be due the second week, and then I'm just adding 7 days and linking them. And then, like I said, there's not a lot of rhyme or reason. We're just trying to make the days work out. And so if you guys find that you want your courses to be aligned with your cooperating teachers, you guys can go back in and adjust these pretty easy. You just adjust the days. You can link or unlink days, and then add 7. So it's due every Monday. So as I get going down here, I'll just do this quick. I try to make sure that as we get down here, Christmas break starts on the 18th, so we don't want anything to be going past the 18th or due on like the Christmas Day or something. So we just keep adding these. And so this one didn't work out quite right. So what I've been doing is, like on these test days, just making them their own day, their own week, I guess. And then coming down and seeing where we're at. Okay, we're starting to look better. And like, we don't want things due, or I don't think we'd want things due on the 21st, so this is going to be put a 4 here. That's going to put us on that Friday. And then we've been putting all the final semester stuff due for January 8th. And this is just a pacing guide. That's something I have to keep in mind as I was doing my own, and that they don't have to necessarily keep this pace, but this is just going to help them complete the entire course over the course of the semester. So that might be, an issue. Some people want to know exactly what they need to do on what day, but right now, it's taking about 25 minutes for us to do each class, or each teacher at this point. So yeah, this is the best we can do at this time. I just wanted to show you how you can adjust those. You might find that in some places it's too much. You can come back in Unit 2 and adjust these accordingly to help your students stay on pace. So once this is all set up, so this is how it should be. You guys should have all this information in all your classes when you log in the first time. And all I did was publish plan, and I did it for all active plans. So now it should be good to go. So when the students log in, they should be able to see, what's due when. And then the last thing I did here is we just published the page. So this course is now published. The students can now see it. Hope that's helpful with the pacing plan. If you have any questions, you can definitely get into contact me with me, and if we can help you out with any way we can. All right.